In this video, we'll show you what to do if the Messenger chat bubbles are not working on your Android phone. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now scroll down and then tap on notifications. In here, click on advanced settings. In here, you should see this floating notification option. On some Android phones, you may see the bubbles option. They both are the same. Simply tap on it and make sure to select bubbles from here. Once you have done this, head to the main settings page, scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. In here, tap the three dot icon in the top right corner and then select special access. Here you will need to select this appear on top option. Now make sure the Messenger app is allowed to appear on top of the other apps, so make sure this toggle is enabled. Once you have done this, simply head to the Messenger app, tap the menu icon here and then select settings. Here finally make sure that the chat bubbles are enabled, so make sure this toggle is turned on. If it's not, simply turn it on from here. Finally you can head to your chats. Simply long press on the Messenger chat and select this open chat head option. Once you do, you should see this chat bubble on your home screen. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.